Now you'll see the shark. This is a small dogfish shark. Welcome to the OSF STEAM channel. My name is Luke, and today we're diving deep into one of the ocean's most fascinating predators. Have you ever wondered what it would look like on the inside of a shark? Today, you're going to find out when we take a look inside our shark lab. Inside this box, you'll discover everything you need to explore the anatomy of a shark. We're going to unbox this kit, take a look at all the materials included, and show you what makes this hands-on STEAM experience so unique. When you first open up the box, you're going to be greeted with the instruction guide. When looking through this, you'll learn about the tools, how to prepare for this dissection, information about the shark, and then you can even fill out the quiz questions about what you learned at the end. Inside the box, you'll also find an information packet about how to find the pre-recorded dissection demonstration video. This will be very helpful for anyone who wants an easy step-by-step guide to follow along with during the activity. Now you will see the shark. This is a small dogfish shark. Keep in mind that this shark tends to have a pretty potent smell, so it is recommended to perform the experiment on a table outside or in a well-ventilated room. Now, safety is the most important thing. This kit includes a couple of items that will keep you and your workspace clean and safe. Inside this bag, you will find a black trash bag. This will act as a tablecloth to contain any mess that is made during the experiment. And when you're done, it makes for an easy cleanup. Start by setting out your foam pad. This is what you will place the shark on while you dissect. Inside the bag, there's also a pair of rubber gloves to keep your hands clean. These are very important to wear as the solution on the shark can cause severe irritation if made direct contact with the skin. If you do come in direct contact with the solution, make sure to immediately rinse with soap and water. There are also some plastic aprons to keep your clothes clean. And last for safety gear, we have protective glasses. Anytime you work with sharp objects or chemicals like we will be doing today, safety glasses are required. Now that we're prepared to execute this experiment safely, let's get into the dissection tools. First thing that you will notice is that there are 6 pins stuck into the side of this foam pad. You will use these to pin the shark down to the foam pad so it is secure in place when you dissect. Now these are very sharp, so make sure to keep them stuck in the foam pad when you're not using them. And make sure to always know where your sharps are because it's easy to accidentally poke yourself. Next, we have a pair of scissors. This is the main tool that you'll use for the dissection. Now these don't look super sharp, but if you do run your finger along the edge, you will cut yourself, so be very careful. Next, we have this wooden probe. The name is pretty self-explanatory, but it'll be used to probe the specimen. Then we also have a pair of plastic pickups. These will be used to grab parts of the specimen that might be hard to reach. And last but not least, we have a pen, so you can take notes if you wish. Now that you have everything laid out, you should be ready to begin your experiment. And that is a look inside the OSF STEAM Shark Lab Kit. If you'd like to explore more hands-on STEAM experiments, be sure to check out the other kits available through OSF STEAM. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know which kit you'd like us to unbox next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next experiment.